Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to smoothly integrate your social profiles so visitors can find and follow you, boosting your reach and making your site much more interactive. Let's get started and make your website truly social. First things first, we need to dive into your Squarespace settings. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and open up your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, glance over to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a settings option. Click on that. The settings area is where you'll find all the important tools that let you fine-tune your website's design, functionality, and features. Now that you're in settings, take a moment to scroll just a bit. You're looking for a section called Social Links. This spot is where Squarespace lets you add, remove, or edit all the social accounts connected to your website. Social media is a powerful tool to help you engage with your audience, so this step is key to making your site interactive. When you click into the social links section, you'll notice you can enter the URLs or usernames for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other social network that fits your brand. Take your time here to copy and paste the exact links to your official profiles. Accuracy is crucial because these links will send your visitors directly to your pages, not just to a generic homepage. Double check each link. Sometimes a typo can lead people astray, and you definitely want your business to make the best first impression possible. Remember, every click counts. Now, maybe you want your social media icons to stand out more, right at the top of your site. Squarespace makes this easy too. Instead of going through the settings route, you can go straight to your site's main visual editor. Just click Edit on your website. This is where the magic happens, letting you change how everything looks in real time. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, or online store, this editor makes customization simple. Hover over your header section and give it a click. A small menu should pop up showing options to add elements. Think of these as little building blocks you can place wherever they serve you best. Adding social icons to your header is a great way to make them immediately visible to your visitors, helping them easily navigate to your social profiles. In this menu, look for something called Social Links. If it's turned off, just flip the switch, and your site will instantly show crisp, clickable social media icons right in your header. This is where the design magic happens. This part might take a few moments if it's your first time editing, so don't worry if you need to poke around a little before you see the right option. Whenever you see those social icons popping up, you can easily customize them to fit your brand's look and feel. Click the icon, and you'll usually be prompted to edit the links. Again, this is super important for making sure your visitors end up on your actual pages, not somewhere random. You can even choose which social platforms you want to highlight, making sure they match your brand's presence. You can also change the look of the icons to better fit your website style, whether that's colorful or minimalist. For example, if your website design is sleek and modern, you might want to go with minimalist icons that match your theme. If you run a blog, a business, or a portfolio, having those icons in your header makes it effortless for guests to check out your brand across multiple platforms. A strong social presence adds an extra layer of credibility, making it easier for your visitors to connect with you online. For those who prefer a subtler touch, you might like adding social links to your footer instead. Footers are great for keeping things professional and tidy, almost like offering a business card at the end of a conversation. It's a more understated way to connect with your audience, while still making sure your social profiles are accessible. Just scroll down to the footer in the visual editor, hit the Add Elements option again, and swap on those social icons. You can repeat the same steps to edit your links here as well, making sure every part of your site is connected to your network. If you decide to go with the footer option, it's a great way to keep your header clean and clutter-free while still providing easy access to your social media profiles. And there you go, your social media accounts are now integrated into your Squarespace 7.0 site. Your visitors will have easy access, and you'll be making the most out of your online presence. This simple addition can really make your website more interactive, building stronger connections with your audience and encouraging engagement across your platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and share any questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.